So yan guys, magpapalipad tayo dito sa Hollywood Regional Park dito sa Sahara and Hollywood. Kuha tayo ng aerial view dito sa park. Ito yung isang nagustuhan ko dito na programa ng gobyerno dito sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Napakaraming park na ginawa nila. Alam nyo guys, ang may bibigay ng ganitong mga park, national park, yung both mental health, natural environment, physical activity. Yan guys ang may bibigay ng ng national park. Kasi naman guys, when we stay inside all day, we increase the risk for isolation and depression, which are huge problem. Among those aged above 65, kailangan din tayong lumabas at mamasyal ng ganitong park. Magpahangin, mag-walking, mag-exercise. At ang mga bata kailangan din nilang lumabas during weekend pagka walang eskwela. Kasi madalas sila 5 days school tapos bahay lang. So they need to spend a significant amount of time in nature also, experience better emotional stability and improve mental health. At alam nyo guys, the need for parks in a community doesn't just benefits in areas, human residents. Public parks add to the local ecosystem. Yung clean air, malinis ang hangin. So yan guys, ang mga bahay, ang dami ang lalaking bahay. Yan ang community guys dito, malapit dito sa park. Gagandang bahay. At ayun naman ang Las Vegas Boulevard Strip, yung mga building na yun guys. Alam nyo guys, ang mga tao cope better with stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues by spending more time in public parks. Physical activity can reduce or prevent many physical and mental health problems guys. Regular physical activity should to increase health. Pag panay ang exercise natin, lalakas talaga ang resistensya ng katawan. And reduce the risk of a wide range of diseases, including heart disease, hypertension, colon cancer guys. So ayan ako guys, nandyan ako sa baba, yan. Ano pa ba ang may bibigay ng ng park or ano ang pwedeng gawin natin dito sa park guys? Well, playing basketball, soccer, volleyball, biking, enjoy picnic with family and friends, dog walk, regardless of how they choose to use the space. They will be able to benefit in their own way from their opportunity for physical, mental, and social health, guys. And you know, guys, even A 30 minutes only visit to a park like this can improve heart health, circulation, lower your cholesterol, blood glucose, tulad ko, mayroon akong diabetes, blood pressure. Walking in nature reduces inflammation and boosts your immune system, which is decreases the risk of certain diseases and cancers. So yan guys, if you like my video, please follow me in my Facebook, Joseph Nicolas or Pinoy Bigas Explorer, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you in watching guys. Take care yourself. God bless. I love you all. See you guys in my next video.